Today we will look up to my new M1 Pro MacBook Pro 16-inch. Let's dive in.
10-core CPU, 16-core GPU, an absolute powerhouse. And why an M1 in 2025? Simple. The power is still more than enough. M1, M2, M3, M4, compared side by side. XDR Liquid Retina, 120Hz ProMotion 3456 by 2234 resolution, 1000 nits sustained, 1600 nits peak brightness. HDR videos, absolutely stunning. Only 16GB of RAM, but with dozens of Chrome tabs and DaVinci Resolve running smooth as butter. On the left, MagSafe 3 with the 140-watt charger, 2 Thunderbolt 4 and a headphone jack. On the right, HDMI 2.0, another Thunderbolt 4 card reader. That was your quick tour of the 16-inch M1 Pro MacBook Pro.